Ripple XRP got approval from the Congress. We have always talked about XRP being the favorite of financial institutions and banks because of its cheap, fast, and sustainable transactions. With the world moving toward digitalization and digital dollar under process, the U.S. government is showing interest in XRP. The governments know that the dollar will wave off soon and they will be needing a new reserve currency. For this, no other currency is better than Ripple's XRP. The U.S. government is now looking toward XRP to compete in this digital world. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give daily updates about XRP. As we have announced a monthly giveaway of 1,000 XRP coins, so hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already to participate in the giveaway. And don't forget to click the bell icon and share your views in the comment section below. Watch to the end for more chances to win the huge amount of your favorite coin. In today's video, we will talk about Ripple XRP acceptance by Congress. You will know that how different former and present members of Congress are working with Ripple XRP. You will also know that how XRP will replace the global reserve currency, the U.S. dollar. And when will the digital dollar come to action? There is also a price analysis for you in the end. So, let's start our video. Ripple XRP is not only the favorite of financial institutions and banks, but it is also gaining the trust and interest of the government. The former members of Congress joining Ripple and the current members showing their interest in the lawsuit is an indication that XRP will be adopted on a global level by all banks and financial institutions, and it will be the new financial system approved and also backed by the government. It all started when a former U.S. Treasurer, Rosie Rios, was appointed by Ripple. Ripple said that it had appointed former U.S. Treasurer Rosie Rios to its board as the company battles a lawsuit from the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple said Rios, the 43rd Treasurer of the United States, who served under President Barack Obama, would join its board of directors, while it has also hired Christina Campbell, previously an executive at fintech firms Green Dot and PayNearMe, as its chief financial officer. The former U.S. Treasurer said, "I've dedicated my career to financial inclusion and empowerment, which requires bringing new and innovative solutions to said processes." Ripple is one of the best examples of how to use cryptocurrency in a substantive and legitimate role to facilitate payments globally. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said in a statement, "Rosie's experience in the public and private sectors provides an invaluable perspective to Ripple, especially during this time as the industry works to define crypto's future. We are extremely fortunate to have them on the team, and we continue our rapid international growth and to champion for regulatory clarity in the U.S." The former Congresswoman joined Ripple because she knows what XRP is capable of. The government knows that the dollar is under so much debt that one day it is going to be replaced, and the sustainable currency for this is Ripple XRP. United States Senator Elizabeth Warren, Democrat from Massachusetts, chair of the Senate Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs Committee's Subcommittee on Economic Policy, has also jumped into the Ripple SEC lawsuit. She wants the lawsuit to end, and for that, she sent a letter to SEC Chair Gary Gensler. She requested information about the agency's authority to regulate cryptocurrency exchanges and protect customers from risk posed by the highly volatile cryptocurrency market. While trading on cryptocurrency exchanges has gained popularity, these platforms lack the same types of basic regulatory protections, such as against fraud and manipulation, as traditional securities exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. During the 6 months of October 2020 to March 2021, nearly 7,000 people reported losses from cryptocurrency scams, resulting in a cumulative $80 million in losses. The letter asked Gary Gensler to outline the ways in which cryptocurrency exchanges may be undermining the SEC's mission to ensure that markets are operating in a fair, orderly, and efficient manner, whether the characteristics of assets traded on cryptocurrency exchanges may warrant additional protections for investors and customers relative to those provided for traditional exchanges, the extent to which the SEC's authority to regulate crypto exchanges may differ from the SEC's authority to regulate traditional exchanges, the extent to which international regulatory coordination may be needed, and the concerns decentralized finance may rise for the SEC's jurisdiction. The interest of Congress on the lawsuit proves that the government wants the lawsuit between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to end so that XRP can lead the digital dollar one day soon. As Al Jazeera reports, the United States dollar has reigned for many decades as the top global reserve currency, backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government and the value of its powerful economy. But in recent years, the dominant monetary unit of choice worldwide has faced an increasing array of threats, ranging from its own inefficient financial infrastructure and the introduction of the Chinese yuan to the specter of Facebook's DM and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. So, as countries like the Bahamas, China, and Sweden test the viability of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, policymakers in the United States are taking stock. Two US-based efforts are exploring the concept of a digital fiat dollar in an era when cash isn't king anymore. Christopher Giancarlo, co-founder of the Digital Dollar Foundation and a former US government regulator, said that there is a number of reasons why central banks around the world are looking seriously at CBDCs, including data capture and economic privacy, financial system modernization, financial inclusion, precision and execution of government benefits, and monetary policy. The United States-based nonprofit Digital Dollar Project announced that it will launch 5 pilot programs over the next 12 months to test the potential use of the U.S. central bank digital currency, the first effort of its kind in the country. CBDCs are the digital equivalent of banknotes and coins, giving holders a direct digital claim on the central bank and allowing them to make instant electronic payments. CBDCs will be bridged by XRP, and this will be a massive XRP adoption. CBDCs will help XRP rise to new heights, and it will become the currency that will replace the U.S. dollar. The governments know the current condition of the dollar, so now they are moving toward an alternative. China is ahead of the U.S. in launching a CBDC. China has already scheduled the digital yuan to be launched at the 2022 Winter Olympics in Beijing. The United States, on the other hand, hasn't made much progress in the development of a digital dollar. As a result, there have been different speculations about which asset could emerge as the CBDC, including Ripple's XRP. The United States and China represent two of the biggest countries in terms of crypto regulation and two different views of the industry. As the quest for dominance continues, we may see these two countries continue to be pitted against each other. The strained relationship between the two superpower nations has dragged on, affecting the blockchain industry. One area of growing interest in the crypto space has been the central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. XRP is the weapon for the United States against China, and it will be the digital dollar to compete with China's digital yuan. As per FX Street, until July 7th, XRP price had consolidated above 65 cents, but the decline on July 8th dispersed the support, and the level became resistance for the International Settlements token. The robustness of the 65-cent level is attributed to the May 23rd low of 0.652 cents and the series of highs going back to early 2021 and December 2020. The recent XRP price failures to recapture the 65 cents indicates that XRP price is expanding the trading range that has governed price action since the end of June. Key range levels including the 200-day SMA at 0.747 cents on the upside and the 78.6% retractment of the 2021 rally at 0.555 cents. A bullish development resulting from the tight XRP price action is a sharp contraction of the Ripple 14-day average true range ATR back to the April levels that preceded the relentless spike to $1.96. In fact, ATR readings near current levels have often preceded price thrusts of varying degrees. One final point of consideration is that XRP is nearing a bearish death cross pattern on the daily chart as the 50-day SMA closes in on the 200-day SMA, establishing more downward pressure on the XRP price. Here, FX Street's analysts evaluate where Ripple can be heading next as it seems bound for an upswing. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 59 cents USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.9 billion USD. XRP is down 0.41% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 6, with a live market cap of $27 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think about XRP being accepted by the Congress and becoming the global reserve currency? Share your views in the comments down below. Don't forget to click the bell icon and participate in the giveaway. And thanks for watching.